heart of every well-stocked kitchen lies a silent pact between freshness and flavor, where the art of food storage unfolds its magic. As Julia Child once said, the only time to eat diet food is while you're waiting for the steak to cook. Indeed, the essence of culinary excellence lies not only in the ingredients but also in the care with which they are stored. Mastering food storage. Essential tips for safety and quality. In this video, we embark on a journey to unlock the secrets behind preserving the soul of every ingredient. Join us as we unravel the tales of freshness, the whispers of safety, and the symphony of flavors orchestrated by the meticulous art of food storage. Ensuring that food is stored correctly is essential for maintaining its quality and safety. First, food should be stored promptly after being received to prevent spoilage and contamination. Keep stored foods covered to prevent them from drying out or absorbing odors. Debris or objects from shelves above can also contaminate uncovered food. Frozen foods should remain in their original containers, which are designed to be moisture and vapor-proof. Staples such as flour, cornmeal, and rice should be stored in rust-proof containers with tight-fitting lids to prevent contamination. Ensure there's enough space between stored food and walls or pipes to allow for proper air circulation. In refrigerated storage, cooked food and other products must be enclosed in clean, sanitized, covered containers and labeled. Regularly check refrigerator thermometers to ensure that temperatures are within recommended ranges. Schedule regular cleaning of equipment and storage rooms to maintain hygiene standards. Date all merchandise upon receipt. Rotate inventory on a first-in, first-out basis to minimize waste. Avoid storing food directly on the floor and refrain from using paper to line shelves, as it can block airflow. Freezer temperatures should be maintained at 0 degrees Fahrenheit or below to prevent spoilage. By following these guidelines, you can ensure the safety and integrity of the food in your establishment, providing customers with high-quality and safe culinary experiences. To explore a more comprehensive guide on this topic, check the link in the description of this video. Ready to enhance your food storage practices? Enroll in our training program to learn more about maintaining food safety standards in your food service establishment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I publish another content. Until next time, stay blessed in your culinary endeavor.